disappear. Next, I would like to call Safana Maria from first PCMB. Come on, girls.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Safana Mariam and I'm from first PCMB. And the topic which I'm gonna talk about today is importance of self-discipline in student life. So, nice topic by the way. And if I talk about what is discipline, then discipline means how we control ourselves. Even our heart is saying to do wrong things, even if you are not feeling to do that thing, the how we control ourselves to do the thing, that is what we call as discipline as per my opinion. And if I talk about importance of discipline in student life, so how should student live in discipline means they have to get up early. Students have so much work to do. They have to study, they have to give exams, they have a lot of pressure, their parents accept so much from them. So students have to fulfill the expectations. So in order to fulfill the expectations, students have to work hard. How to work hard? By adding discipline in their life, like getting up early, studying, and then being concentration in class. And not only about that, students should also learn how to respect teachers, how to respect their parents. And some students, what do they is, whenever the mother asks them to do some household work, they say that नहीं मुझे नहीं होता, मुझे लिखने का है, मुझे नहीं होता. They say it like it. But instead of that, we should go and help them. Even though we got less time to study, we should go and help them. Because they are saying that mother's dua can change anyone's life. Mother's dua can change anyone's life. So we should obey our parents, even though we studied, even though we did not study properly. But with the dua of our mother, we can do well than other students who studied whole night. So we should respect in our teachers, respect also our teachers. How mother dua is also important for us, like that only teachers dua is also important to us. Teachers are like our second parents. So we must respect our teachers. Some students are like, when our teachers scolds them, so whenever they do like, आगे. So we should not do like that. Teachers scold us for our good. हमें बड़े हो को क्या तो बने दे, पर को अड़ाती, हमें उससे क्या रख लेती, मंचेस कभी भी करती, सो दूसरे को दिखते नहीं. Same goes to parents. Siblings होती, तो especially siblings में खाली बड़े बेटे को प्यार करती, मंजे प्यार करते नहीं, खाली मंजेस बोलते रहती. No, it's not like that. We should respect our parents and as well as teachers. And we should spend our life in Islamic way too. Discipline means नमाज सभी छोड़कर को खाली पढ़ने बैठ जाना नहीं, खाली रेस्पेक्ट करना नहीं. We should also respect our religion. हमें नमाज पढ़ने के साथ साथ डिसिप्लिन फॉलो करना. और डिसिप्लिन फॉलो करें तो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी होती है. लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी होती है मतलब सक्सेस आ जाता. If we follow our life in discipline way, in both religious way and in this normal way, we can get success both in this life and in afterwards life. So we must live our life in a very disciplined way, like studying, concentration in the class, respecting elders, even respecting children. Respecting elders means we should not so like छोटे बच्चे दिखते हैं उनको छोड़ के बैठ जाना. We should also respect children. We should also respect the children. उनको अगर उन्हें बैठ कर है तो उठो जी, तुम्हें बच्चे तुम्हें जाग खड़ो, हमें बैठना कर को नहीं बोलना, इज्जत से बोलना. उठो मैं तुम्हें मैं गोद में बिठा लेती हूँ उनको. So this is also a type of discipline. And other discipline things are, especially in today's life, social media is important for us also and not very disadvantageous for us. So we should use social media in a very good manner. Social media में बहुत चीजें रहती जो देखो हमारे दिल में भी आता मैं भी ये करना, even though it is a wrong thing. So controlling ourselves to not to do that wrong thing is also a discipline. Controlling our thought is also a discipline. आजकल के बच्चे, आजकल की जनरेशन में बहुत डिसिप्लिन बहुत कम है. Because of the phone, because of the impact of social media on us, because of our environment. अगर तुमने स्कूल के बच्चों को भी, जो बच्चे स्कूल को नहीं जाते उनको कंपेयर करे तो बहुत डिफरेंस दिखता. कहीं को स्कूल में डिसिप्लिन सिखाया जाता और उनको डिसिप्लिन नहीं सिखाया जाता. तो वो बच्चे डिसिप्लिन से रहती और कुछ ना कुछ ये मकाम हासिल करती। लेकिन जो बच्चे स्कूल को नहीं जाते या जिनको डिसिप्लिन नहीं सिखाया जाता, उन्हें मोस्ट प्रोबेबली क्या ना क्या डिफिकल्टीज फेस करते रहती because they do not respect their elders, they do not respect their teachers, they do not respect the children. So in conclusion, discipline is very important in our life. It builds our lifestyle. Discipline is like very important in our life. It builds our lifestyle. Our lifestyle becomes good. And if our lifestyle becomes good, we can जब हमें छोटे थे तो हमारी ख्वाहिश होती है कि हमें बड़े हो को इनको हेल्प करना। तो if our discipline, good lifestyle, so when we grow up, we can help everyone who we want. And yeah, thank you Zakawa. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, Safana Mariam. That was very good. Now I would like to welcome Rahmat Unnisa from 2nd CBA.